It's July the 12th on a beautiful Sunday afternoon, and I thought I would give you a different perspective on the Dr. Percy Julian High School construction site. That's quite a lagoon that accents the entrance to the new high school, located in the eastern part of Montgomery, Alabama. There you see the auditorium area where they've got a lot of the block work done. They're moving right along. And to the right there, it looks like they're working on the parking areas. Back in early June that I did the last update, so this will give you a little bit better perspective as to what is going on. If you want to go back and look at one of the other videos to see how it's coming on. Anyway, if you like this video, hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button as well. It really helps out the channel. Well, there you have it, the update for the new Dr. Percy Julian High School, coming in 2028. Thank you so much for watching.